Did you see all those incredible photos of the latest display of the Northern Lights and think, wait, why didn't they look that vivid for me? Or maybe all you could see in the night sky was the glow from the bright lights of the city. Well, we've got you covered for next time with the lowdown on one of the best places in all of North America to view the Aurora Borealis. And the secret here at Waterton Lakes National Park lies a little closer to the Earth than the Northern Lights, but we still have to look up.
Waterton Lakes National Park was declared just a couple of years ago an international dark sky park.
These custom street lights are installed throughout the park and village of Waterton. They're designed to minimize the light pollution the village gives off, making the cosmos more visible and more vivid. That's thanks both to a special fixture that works to direct the light downwards and an LED bulb that emits a special light temperature, 1650 Kelvin to be specific. That's both less intense and less likely to scatter in the atmosphere due to its low energy. Higher energy light reacts more with atmospheric particles like dust and water, which scatters light and creates glow.
Even in the Waterton town site, with the minimal light pollution that our community generates, you can really enjoy the night sky.
As mentioned, Waterton Lakes has officially been designated a dark sky park by the International Dark Sky Association for its incredible views both inside the village and in the surrounding areas where galaxies, constellations, and shooting stars await.
All it takes is a 2-minute drive away from the Waterton town site, and you find some incredible dark skies where you can enjoy the night sky.
Of course, you'll still need some notice to get into position to see the aurora, so stay tuned to the Weather Network. We'll be sure to give you a heads up the next time the night sky is forecasted to light up.